Hi, welcome to Hexus TV. We're at the Gadget Show live in Birmingham. I'm here with Adam from Panasonic. Adam, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you. And yourself?
Very good, thank you. 3D, we've seen it at every trade show this year. It's huge. The public opinion, our readers, seem to be divided, but it looks as though we're not going to have a choice.
No. I mean, the great thing is about our TV is you do get the choice of 2D or 3D. Not only is this going to give you our best 3D picture, but also going to give you your best 2D picture as well. And it's very, very simple to actually change it from 3D to 2D as well.
Okay, a lot of our viewers probably haven't seen this interface before, so if you can just talk us through it, how do you switch from 2D to 3D mode?
Certainly. Well, it's quite simply, what we have here is our main remote control. Of course, we're very, very used at Panasonic to be using Viera Link, so we can control all our AV products from one remote control. Well, what we've got here is, once like last year, we have a Viera Tools button. So with our Viera Tools, it brings up our shortcut menu. Of course, everyone's now used to shortcuts through their laptops and their mobile phone, so we've made it as easy as possible. And as you can see here, we actually have a 3D menu as well. So by accessing the 3D menu, then allows us to turn our eyewear on and off to be able to go from our 3D picture to our 2D picture very simply. And of course, to make it backwards compatible as well, Sky have launched their 3D channel, so it's very simple. We can change the 3D input from automatic, where it's detecting the Blu-ray player, into side-by-side, which will then be able to be compatible with Sky's new 3D system.
Okay, that's quite useful to know, because a lot of our readers say, what do you do when your friends come over to watch the football? You've only got 2 pairs of glasses. You just quite easily turn it off.
Very, very simply. As you can see, with the shortcut menu, it does mean at a click of a button, we can be turning it from 3D into 2D very, very quickly. So if you are sat there with the wife or with the other half, watching 3D, and all your friends turn up, you just simply go into the 3D menu, turn off the 3D eyewear, and away you go.
Okay, it's going to be quite difficult for you, but try and pretend you don't work for Panasonic for a minute. What do you think of 3D technology personally?
Personally, I find it as more realistic. Whereas the old 3D used to be very, very over the top, and me personally used to give me quite a few headaches. I find this more like real life. So it's just like when you cover one eye and you lose that feeling of depth of looking around someone, this is giving you the more realistic feel, being able to give you the feeling of walking about a mile off into the TV. So for me personally, I could quite happily watch a film more than happily for an hour or two with my 3D glasses, not a problem. Okay,
do you think it really will become mainstream in consumer homes this year?
I can see a lot of people jumping on the bandwagon. Of course, the price is very, very attractive as well. These are looking 50-inch VT20s, looking to come out around about just over £2,000. Compared to last year's 50-inch, it makes it very, very attractive. So it will be mainstream. It's not going to be priced out of the range for only people with very, very large pockets. Everyone's going to be able to afford this technology. And as I say, not only giving us our best 3D, but our best 2D and our best networking system as well.
Okay, you said about £2,000. When do you expect this set to be available?
This set will be launching next month, so in May, this set will be available, same with the Blu-ray player, and we're hopefully going to be doing TV and packages with your glasses as well.
Okay, the uptake of 3D content is going to depend on the content. What do you think is going to be the driving force in terms of 3D? Is it going to be Blu-ray? Is it going to be games?
I think for the public it's going to be quite split. Me personally, I'm quite into my movies, but I do enjoy my games as well, so having both systems, I'll be then getting the best of both worlds through my 3D TV. For most people, I'm sure it will be one or the other, but they have the opportunity to do both at the same time.
Brilliant. Thanks very much, Adam. That's Panasonic at the Gadget Show live in Birmingham. Stay tuned to Hexus TV for more.